and welcome to my channel. In my today's video I'm going to review Oomynails press-on nail tips that I got recently in collaboration with this brand. I was supposed to do a review and feature them on my channel, and this is exactly what I did for you today, so I hope this is going to be helpful. I have to say it's the first time I've tried on press-on nail tips, so it was a whole new experience for me, let me tell you. So I picked these three kits. These are their best sellers and they're absolutely beautiful. I'm really in love with the colors and shades and the quality of the nails. It's just perfect. On their website I have the hugest selection of different prints and patterns and just shapes and forms and lengths of the nails that you can choose from. Also it's very convenient price-wise, and the quality is really amazing. I tried them on today and I have to say I took them off basically immediately. I just tried them on to see how they look like, and I wanted to, you know, just check the quality and all and see how they look like on me, and do some photos and do this review for you. But I have to say these nails are just, you know, they are amazing. I love them. I loved how my hands looked with them on. The major issue I had with them is the fact that as a mom I have to do a lot of housework, and just, you know, my little one is very active, we're very crafty, and with these nails I just couldn't do anything basically. Even pulling out tripod that I store underneath my bed was impossible, so that was basically the main reason why I took them off before filming this review, because I actually wanted to keep them for this review and like show them to you because they were so nice. But yeah, I just couldn't reach my tripod. That was the main issue. I don't know how other girls do it that have extra long nails. I used to have very long nails and it wasn't a problem for me, you know, doing housework or anything like that. But with these nails that weren't mine, I just couldn't do anything, like literally. So this is just my issue that I've had with them. But as I've said on the site, you can get different lengths. So I'm thinking maybe I could shorten these ones and then glue them on, because I did get 48 adhesive tabs in each kit, so I still have a lot of adhesive tabs, and I can just shorten them to the right length that I prefer. So then it's easier for me, you know, to do my everyday tasks. They're just more practical when they're short. These long ones were just like for the sake of the video, some photos, to make an appearance. They were amazingly pretty and all. I was really impressed with the quality of these, and they really looked, well, I won't say they looked natural, but they did not look as press-on nail tips. They looked as if though they were professionally made in a nail salon. So that's a huge plus, you know, because these things can be quite expensive, especially if you have to do it every 3 weeks to maintain your nails. So okay, so these are 3 nail kits that I have from Oomynails press-on nail tips. I think they're all gorgeous. I think I'm going to go for this beautiful lavender color. These ones I'm going to keep for my summer vacations. You will get thorough instructions on the back side how to use. First I'm going to prep my nails. As you can see, my nails are quite short. I need to file them and just prepare the surface. I have my nail file, 7-step buffer nail file. So with this part here, I will shorten my nails and then I will polish them and all that good stuff. So this kit contains 24 nails, mini nail file, prep pad, manicure stick and 48 adhesive tabs. It's recommended to store in a cool, dry place, and it's very easy to use. You are just supposed to file the nail and gently push the edges of the nails with the manicure stick to remove excess cutin. Then use a prep pad to remove moisture and oil from the surface of the nails. Select the best fitting nail on each finger. Apply the right size adhesive nail tabs to the nail. Fit the nail piece and press for 15 seconds. Do not contact with water in 2 hours after finishing. How to remove? Peel off nails gently from sides using the manicure stick. Do not force or pull nails off. If needed, soak hands in warm water or apply polish remover around edges. Then use the mini sticks to gently lift off nails. Okay, so I'm going to open this kit and show you how it looks like. These are adhesive tabs, mini file. So now I'm just checking out if the sizes are correct. So I have chosen these 10 nails and I'm going to prepare my nail surface and start gluing them on. So this is a prep pad and this one is supposed to remove moisture and oil from the surface of the nails, so the adhesive tab can adhere better. I think I said everything what I wanted to say about these nails. I hope you enjoyed watching and I would really love to know what do you like most about my channel. How did you find out about my channel? Hey guys, that was it. Please like this video and subscribe for more. Now I'm sending you big kiss from Italy and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao!